One TV special report.
So having 11 members present, this regular session is in quorum. Ma'am Secretary.
Item 3, approval of the order of business.
Honorable Chair.
Yes, Honorable Sito Tampo, you are recognized.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. Good morning sa tanan. I move to approve the order of business on today's session, 31st regular session, March 2, 2026, Honorable Chair.
Okay, it has been moved by Honorable Tampo that this order of business for 31st regular session, March 2, 2026, is hereby approved. And then duly seconded by Honorable Felix Balaes and Honorable Joel Budjungan. Is there any comments? Hearing none, motion is approved.
Next, approval of the previous minutes dated February 23, 2026.
Madam Chair. Yes, Honorable Giselle Sumaga, you are recognized.
Thank you, Madam Chair. Good morning, everyone. I move for the approval of the previous minutes dated February 23, 2026 and dispense its reading, Madam Chair.
Second, Honorable Chair.
Second. Okay, thank you. It has been moved by Honorable Giselle Sumaga for the approval of the previous minutes dated February 23, 2026, duly seconded by Honorable Rosito Tampoog and Honorable Tani Lumbay. Is there any comments, remarks? Hearing none, motion is approved. Next item, Madam Secretary.
Item 5, convening R and articles of Madam Chair.
Yes, Honorable Marites Mixdon, you are recognized.
Thank you, Madam Chair, and good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Ako lang, Madam Chair, papos lang po na po at kung itabo bitaw ang last time na baha sa school, no? Okay. Dili sa Tiddo, nakakamot sa dihay duha ka irrigation ang suba. Duha na kasuba ang nakaabot, maikay ng suba o Tiddo po ng suba, no? Kaya yung duha po ka irrigation, ang side dito sa maikay is na sila ilang irrigation nga old irrigation. Kung dili po sa tulay, una pa yun sa maikay na side. Duha pa po na kasuba gaan na Madam Chair. Kaya o panangitan gani siya Madam Chair o kanang gitapok na siya ang tubig na kanan ay irrigation good tungod sa Tidok yun na siya na area. Pero dito sa unahan, katong suba sa maikay, na ako dito isa ka irrigation na old to siya. Kaya kung magbaha na gani Madam Chair, kusugid kayo hagaya kasuba ang gabot. O, then kanang irrigation na naa sa Tidok yun kabutang. Ang may tabugod na is ano lang na siya, gihimo na nga irrigation, ang ito nga, again, dugay-dugay na. So ako muli, sa katong palayan bayan na basakan, wala din na siya magamit diha sa kanang may surround bitaw na basakan na nahimutang na hinoon na sa part sa baho. Actually, sinakaban na siya. So, ako alam na mag-call ang attention sa NIA, nadiri naman na gigamit na irrigation niya, maunay na tapos sa baha nila sa mura. Kaya ang tubig, once mo abot na galing, baha na galing kusog, ang tubig, mura pa siya pababagan. Musalpo siya, munang mudagan dito sa mukha ng mo, awas na galing, muabot ang tubig, tumudan ang irrigation na.
Gamay kay irrigation.
Dahil po na nga irrigation, hindi ka babag yun sakto sa tubig. Muna ang tubig mo saka. So, maabot dito ka doon na spillway, ito mo, saka dito, dito palayan din ha. Tapos, mawari po, mula na po sa may basakan na kaling part na sa sinakaban, which is, ang mga owner anak na Tidok. Pulis yun kung kain na sa mga farm workers, mga atong rice farmers dyan, takita. Kay, malalakal man yun ang mga basakan na. Kaya wala na yun na nila gamit kay ang mga farmers diha nagkuha og tubig sa katong old jud nga irrigation is bilong atong maikay nga kuba. No dito na sila nagkuha. So maayo unta nga ma-inspect na sa niya kay wala namang ginagamit na kay wala na mapahimos ni sa mga rice farmers diha kay ubos na kaayo. Kay ang intention ana is So ako mo date sa Palayan Bayan na mga rice farmers. So wala naman Palayan Bayan karon. So amurap naman na ang project karon din ha. So ang ako alam inform ang taga niya about ana kay bali dili naman ingon nga nakahatag na sa taga Tigdok o tabang hinuon na imo disaster na kay ubaha din matungod ana ka irrigation dali ra gyud kaayo mo awas ang tubig. So inana lang Madam Chair, ang ako alam ang ma-check na sa taga niya engineers kay niya man nga. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Honorable Marisis Mixdon for the concern about the flood. And then, so mag-later ta sa NEA. I would like to request my secretary to make a kuan Mangos letter request. Ang NEA is naa sa Capitol, ang ilahang sub-office. Manawag lang tag kisay kuan, kisay ilang head nila sa head nila diya sa naiyang niyang office sa Capitol. Oo. Inspection siguro, Honorable Mixdon. Inspection first, then I have nila gaman upo.
Okay.
Kanang
Ni Honorable Chair.
yes, Honorable Tampuo.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. In addition with the concern of Honorable Mixed Honorable Chair, before siguro nato tagaan o before ta mo legislate the resolution no, ato siguro inform ang DA o ang engineering ani nga concern kay wala mamanggoy basis observation Honorable Mixed doon. Prior siguro sa ato ang paghimong resolution naagyoy inspection sa LGU nga level Honorable Mixed doon nga nakapahigayon kay wala man tay basis ani just a matter of concern the Honorable Mixed doon. So siguro maka-schedule ang engineer ang taga-Mao nato para to come up with unsay pwede nato himuon na in support sa concern Honorable Mixed doon kay ug mo diretso ta karon miyon ang taga niya nakandak na ba mag-inspection na bay report ani kaming from the engineering so wala tay mapakita. So prior sa concern Honorable Mixed doon the Committee on Infra the Honorable Balais makahimog gyud site inspection adto with engineering and taga DA para mo support sa ato base sa actual nga inspection sa mga area Honorable Chair.
Okay, thank you, Honorable Tampuo. Noted. I had a kamao dito request nila para i-attach nato dito sa ato ang mga discussion.
Madam Chair.
Report mismo. Yes, Honorable Balais.
Thank you, Madam Chair. Siguro mag-schedule na nila pag-ulit na nato gikan sa Manila. Madam Chair.
Yes, okay, thank you. So, thank you very much, August Badi. Next privilege our Madam Secretary. Okay. We have visitors from Suzuki personnel. So, sir, kisay mo kuan ninyo, mo present ikaw, sige, okay. You have the floor, sir. And then magpailan lang sa food sa o sa food yung katuyuan dili sa session. Okay, thank you. And then we have another visitors from the Department of Education. Naadyo lang nato ang District Supervisor, si Ma'am Lynn Labastilla. Ma'am, kisama mo present ninyo, ma'am. Kay murag ang DepEd karon is murag series ni atong nangadawat nga message ni Sir Jeffrey. Oh, no, Sir Mike, no. Oh, mao lagi mo yung pag-adto sa luksoon atong nga time. Sige ma'am, please ma'am, you have the floor para sa information sa August Badi regarding sa inyong activity, sa inyong lakaw, kung bago mayo, kung siguro na bukid naman. Sige ma'am. Please proceed.
Ako mag-grupo sa ato ang Vice Mayor, ang presiding officer, Vice Mayor Wilman Palomino, to the Education Committee, Honorable Rosito Tampugo, to Honorable SB, Honorable Joel Putyungan, Honorable Samuel Panitoino III, SB Melvin Lagi, to SB Jusel Sumapan Gonzales. Akong gitagsa-tagsa kay karon pangukani.
Yes, ma'am.
To SB Barretes Mixdon, to SB Felix Balaes, and to the ABC President Lorenzo Cecilias, IPMR Honorable Tony Lumpay, for the SK Christian Limbaga, with my co-partners, the different coaches, secretaries, a pleasant good morning to all.
Good morning, ma'am.
Salamat. Ayun, sorry kayo nga, karoon pa po nakaanhi. So, for almost 6 months na ko stay in Manila. I would like to say thank you kayo from the bottom of my heart for your support, for always being there for the Department of Education. So, we are inspired to work. And it's because of the LGUs and the Venas are always there for us. So, na ako karon, it's because pagpatabang ni kani, it is already advanced party by Sir Jeffrey sa iyang next mayor. Actually, naapon sa ganina, naapon sa office ni Mayor, it's because nagpa-approve ko nito og signatures ni Mayor because naay mga building nga ihatag diri sa Tudela school building for the year 2026 until 2028. And then the funds will then loaded to the LGU. So mga daghan kayo sa constructions wherein pa naay budget from the congressman 5 ka schools nga for constructions of building. So hopefully matuman yun na siya. Wherein pa matuman yun siya because there is already a budget on this. Dayon, di ba nalitalit with me or gidalit yun is urgent documents to be submitted in the province. So it was already signed by the mayor and it is going to submit to the province this afternoon. So akong kanyo vice me with the athletes of the volleyball kay sila mo compete for the NM Raha in Bukidnon this coming March 18. They are going to depart a living from Miss of Padung sa Bukidnon this coming on March 8 by Sunday pohon. Around Sunday. It is already funded by the province, but then nahanyo lang po kasi with the coaches. Sa inyong hanyo, ako lang po sila pasutiyo sa ilang gusto. Siguro for the allowance man ang ilang so we have 13 athletes, 14 volleyball, bringing the name of Misamis Occidental from Tudela District for the volleyball girls. Then, naapoy duha ka athletics. So
16 tanan, ma'am. 16 tanan, ma'am.
16 tanan from Tudela. 14 tanan. 12 plus 2, 14. 14 tanan
tanan.
from Tudela. So, that's all. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Ma'am Lynn. And then, now, what did tayo lusot ani ha? Kay maulaw ka sa taga-DepEd. Ning anhigit sila para sa atuang support. Bali, Ma'am Lynn, sa tibuok province, ang akong Tudela maoy napilian mga ipadala sa Bukidnon. Ang katulad kong mga players sa volleyball.
Volleyball girls kay nag-compete sila ani from 3 clusters or keta Usamis Tanggog. Sila nag-okoy ato
Asa sila dito na eskwelahan?
kaan sa Bara ES
Elementary school.
Ang secondary kaan first runner-up naman sila. First sila. Dayon, kasi sila yung na-champion. Pero last year, na-champion ang mga tanang volleyball. So, diri sa Tudela, ang kaan yun is volleyball. Dumay rin yung experience siya. May gani kayo nakalusot ra ang
Maayo ni
Sa unang
kababaran yun mo, dula. Yes, Ma'am Lynn, oo, nakadungog ba ko nila. Ala sila competition sa orkita to. Gignan ko ni Ma'am Hilda ato para po sa ilahang mga vitamins. Kinahanglan nila sila vitamins. Kinsa yung principal sa Bara? Ikaw, ma'am?
Actually, ang principal sa Bara is promoted as
Bibi pa kaayo.
teacher pa man po siya.
Kasi mahal ang
Principal na
pinaka-
po teacher position.
Si Kuya Jeffrey de mo ay ina ni SDS.
Sila sa Cagayan mo.
Okay, thank you, Ma'am Lynn.
Ay, unahan sila,
Isa
unahan
pa
sila.
gusto mo storya, gikan sa mga coaches. Murag, kuhan yun. Paistoryawan din mo na mo, ma'am, kay maulaw mi o tag 100 na mong ihatag.
Okay, good morning, everyone. I'm Richie Gigi, coach of volleyball elementary girls from Bara Elementary School. Actually, Vice Mayor, ang composition sa akong team, 9 players from Bara, 1 from Tigdok, 1 from Sinoza, and 1 from Uzami City. Dayon, magpasalamat day ko kay Jo in preparation sa kuan sa provincial meet qualifying games. Salamat kayo sa inyong suporta and Shilin Tudela na kami giving gawas nga mananaog and then mo compete ni regional March 18 po.
Abot na gid mo region.
Oh yes,
So, kasi
yes
mo
po.
ulag ka,
Mularga revised March 8 po.
March 8,
Oo.
Domingo.
That is Sunday.
So, muhatag ni Tudaan na. So, ano yan i-come out, Ma'am Lynn, gikan na mo sa SB, pwede mi mo quote og 20,000 para sa inyo ang allowance. So, amo na siyang ipangutana ni budget officer kay DepEd man siya, di na siya barangay. So, amo siyang paningkamutan ug unsay pwede requirements nga ihatag pangayoon ni budget officer Bujungan kay para dili may maglisod. In case nga maglisod mi dito,
Piki naman God.
okay, apiki naman ang time. So kami na lang mga SB, mangayo na lang kanila og tag 1,000. Dayon, 12 man may kabuo, ako na lang mo add para 20,000 lagi hapon ang mga mahatag ninyo. Kay mula gara ba may Manila, karong 4, then 7 pa may maka-uli. Nya, mula na po mo og 8, so apiki na. So, gikan karon taman Miyerkules, dili ay, taman Martes ra kay Miyerkules naman din mo larga. So, manawag ko nimo Ma'am Lynn para sa arrangement sa among ihatag nga allowance. Maya siya. So, gikan na mo sa Sangguniang Bayan, among paningkamutan nga mahatag na mo ninyo
Before Mularga.
on or before Tuesday ang amo ang hatabang para sa ato ang mga athlete. Oo din. Nara ko'y ikaduga nga kabalo naman jud ang coach no nga ang pagkaon jud nila mo importante no ang vitamins gyud kay para pusgan sila din. Sila mag-ampo may para sa kadaugan nila dito sa bukidnon. Oh, mag-picture tayo sige. Recess na ko ang kuha session.
Yes, Madam Chair. Item 6, reference of business. 1, proposed ordinance or resolution. Letter A, proposed municipal ordinance number 10, series of 2026, introduced by Honorable Rosito Tampo Jr. An ordinance institutionalizing a comprehensive enrollment monitoring and child education program for school-age children in daycare centers, elementary, junior high school, and senior high school in the coordinated participation of the barangay officials, Department of Education, Municipal Social Welfare and Development Office, Municipal Planning and Development Office, and the Sangguniang Bayan Committee Chairperson on Education.
Abot na lang
Okay, what is the pleasure of the body? Request on short briefing about the ordinance.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. This ordinance, Honorable Chair, para ni sa base ni sa ato ang experience diri sa lungsod tungod kay ang ato mga daycare centers pod usahay dili na kaayo na monitor ang attendance sa mga bata no. Usahay mo kusog lang ato ang ang atong attendance sa atong daycare centers usahay daghan ang bata kung naay feeding. Pero kung walay feeding nga mahitabo sa daycare centers medyo wala po yung mga bata kayo. So And then usa pod sa concern pod sa mga teachers elementary nga level, daghan tag beneficiary sa purpose pero kasagaraan sa mga bata pod uban sa purpose sige nga absent sa eskwelahan. No? Muna nga kung pwede siguro naa siguro tay back up ani coming from the barangay officials kay kining ordinance naa nay tahas ang mga barangay officials nga mo-appeal sila sa monitoring didto sa attendance sa mga bata no nga dili lang kay ang mga teachers lang ato ang assignan kundi part ni ining responsible ang barangay officials nga mo-connect pod ang DepEd didto sa barangay officials and then nganong ato pong itagaan og appeal pod ining ordinance honorable chair ang MSWDO tungod kay atong i-considered pod nganong gasigig absent ang bata basin tungod sa kalisod nga walay gikaon unsay posibleng nahitabo ani nga pamilya so magkandak na pod ang MSWDO og actual gyud nga bisita ani nga panimalay unsa hinungdan nganong ang bata sigig absent so at least na intervention ang lungsod kung kining pamilya haba walay pagkaon walay trabahong ginikanan kay usapod sa feedback labi na sa mga IPs community nato nga ang mga bata pod uban dili maka-eskwela tungod kay manungha walay pagkaon so part ni honorable chair atong ma-monitor ang enrollment sa eskwelahan nga kung mahimo wala gyoy bata sa tudila nga wala maka-eskwela so I move honorable chair this proposed ordinance from first to committee level and committee on education for further study honorable chair.
Joint motion, Honorable Tampuo.
Second ka.
Ini joint motion,
To committee level pa honorable chair.
Okay, thank you, Honorable Rosito Tampuo. This item, the
petition nila din
proposed
pa-receive na isa din sa letter nimo.
10, series of 2026, an ordinance institutionalizing the comprehensive enrollment monitoring and child education program for school-age children in daycare center, elementary, junior high school, and senior high school, in the coordinated participation of the barangay officials, Department of Education, DepEd, Municipal Social Welfare and Development Office, MSWDO, Municipal Planning and Development Office, and the Sangguniang Bayan Committee Chair on Education, be on first reading and for the committee meeting. For be referred to the Committee on Education. So, is there any comments, remarks? Yes, Honorable Melvin Lagi, you're recognized.
Thank you, Madam Chair. Okay, papagkapon, Madam Chair. Ituwid mabuti sa Committee on Social Services. Kaya naaman diri ang
Joint.
Okay.
Joint.
Okay, thank you. On joint committee on education and committee on
Social
services be referred to the committee level. Is there any comments, remarks? Hearing none, motion is approved. Next item.
Number 2, petitions or requests. Letter A, letter from the Municipal Mayor, Stella Aristanio, dated February 23, 2026, requesting the approval of a resolution authorizing the undersigned to enter into a memorandum of agreement between the LGU of Tudela and the Tanggol City Anti-Drug Abuse Office or CADAO, represented by Honorable Sabiniano S. Canama, City Mayor, for the provision of drug rehabilitation services to drug-related offenders under probation from the municipality of Tudela. And number 2, dated February 27, 2026, requesting this bill resolution authorizing Municipal Mayor Stella Aristanio to enter into MOA with Mr. J. Patrick Elemento and Mr. Aldrin Go, system developers of web-based water record management system with address at Cagayan de Oro City, Philippines. The local of the LG of Tudela intends to implement a water billing collection system.
Honorable Chair.
Yes, Honorable Rosito Tampuo.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. I move for a joint resolution authorizing the Honorable Mayor to enter into MOA between the LGO of Tanggol City, City Anti-Drug Abuse Office, Honorable Chair, representing the Honorable Sabiniano Canama, Honorable Chair, kay kining request is before ato naman yung gihimo, nanatay mga pipila ka mga taga Tudela nga positive nga dito na to gi rehab sa ilaa dito sa Tangkob. Thank you, Honorable Chair.
Okay, thank you, Honorable Rosita Tampuo. On joint resolution, requesting for the approval of a resolution authorizing the undersigned to enter into a memorandum of agreement between the LGU of Tudela and Tangub City Anti-Drug Abuse Office to our Honorable Mayor Sabiniano S. Ikanama, Honorable Mayor of Tangub City for the provision of drug rehabilitation services to drug-related offenders under provision from the municipality of Tudela. So is there any comments, remarks? Hearing none, motion is approved. Next item, what's the pleasure of the body from number 2?
Madam Chair.
Yes, Honorable Melvin Lagi, you recognize.
Thank you, Madam Chair. I move to pass a resolution, Madam Chair, in the West sponsorship for the approval of a resolution authorizing the Municipal Mayor Stella Costanyo to enter into memorandum of agreement with Mr. G. Patrick Elemento and Mr. Albert Go System Developers with wastewater record management system with address at Cagayan de Oro City, Philippines. The LGU of Tudela intends to implement a water billing collection system. Madam Chair, I move in joint sponsorship.
Okay, thank you, Honorable Melvin Lagi, for a joint resolution to pass a joint resolution requesting the authorization from our municipal mayor Stella Obot Istanyo to enter into a memorandum of agreement with Mr. J. Patrick Elemento and Mr. Alvin Go for having a system developers of web-based water record management system from Cagayan de Oro to LGU of Tudela for the implementation of our water billing collection system. Is there any comments? Hearing none, motion is approved. Sakto bitaw mo.
Para
Electronic na. Sakto. Okay, Madam Secretary, please proceed.
Yes, number 3, other communications. A is the resolution number 239-26, a resolution approving resolution number 25-148 of the Sangguniang Bayan of Tudela, a resolution adopting the comprehensive development plan for CY 2026 to 2031, local development investment plan for CY 2026 to 2028, and our annual investment plan for CY 2026.
Okay, is there anybody? What is the pleasure of the body on this item?
Mark
Yes,
noted.
Honorable Nevin Lagi.
Madam Chair, I move that this communication, Madam Chair, be marked as noted, Madam Chair.
Second.
Okay, thank you. It has been moved by Honorable Melvin Lagi, duly seconded by Honorable Rosito Tampuog, that this item from the other communications, SP resolution, approving resolution number 25-148 of the Sangguniang Bayan of Tudela, resolution adopting the comprehensive development plan, CDP, for calendar year 2026 to 2031, local development investment plan, LDIP, for calendar year 2026 to 2028, and annual investment plan, EIP, for calendar year 2026 is hereby noted. Next item, Madam Secretary.
Item 7, committee reports. A, Committee on Laws, Rules, Regulations, chaired by Honorable Melvin Lagi.
Madam Chair.
Yes, Honorable Melvin Lagi, you recognize.
Thank you, Madam Chair. I have here Madam Chair, affidavit of desistance coming from the complainant, Madam Chair, as response to his letter, his complaint, administrative complaint to the Honorable Barangay Captain Vladimir Gamutin o Barangay Sibak, Madam Chair, affidavit of desistance,
Ano yan? Deport na.
and I read, Madam Chair,
Yes.
Thank you. I, Edwin Salomon Tan, of legal age, married and currently residing of Purok Ono, L1, Lot 1, 1313, Dika Subdivision, Tunghaan, Minglanilla, Cebu. After having been duly sworn to in accordance with the law, hereby dispose and see that, number 1, I am the private complainant in the administrative case for violation of Anti-Red Tape Act or Republic Act number 9485 against Vladimir T. Gamutin as respondent with the Office of Sangguniang Bayan, Municipality of Tunila, Misamis Occidental. Number 2, on February 2, 2026, Sangguniang Bayan conducted a mediation at the Office of the Municipal Vice Mayor, Municipal Building, Tunila, Misamis Occidental. Number 3, during the above stated mediation, Vladimir T. Gamutin acknowledged his lapses for failure to comply and or perform his mandated duty as public servant. Thereafter, seek forgiveness against the complainant and promise to rectify or correct his lapses by creating a new minute of the meeting and indicating the omitted uttered statement by Lorito O. Icklin for purposes of executing an agreement between the complainants and Lorito O. Icklin. Number 4, in view thereof, I am no longer interested in pursuing the administrative case against the respondent. Number 5, this affidavit is being executed by me of my own free will and by volition for the purpose of seeking a dismissal of any pending claim or signifying my intention to desist from further prosecuting the respondent, hereby waiving all rights and claims due to me arising from said incident. Now and thereafter, number 6, the foregoing statement have been fully read by me or read and translated to me in a language which I understand that the same are true and correct to the best of my knowledge and belief. In witness whereof I have hereunto affixed my signature this 23rd of February 2026 in the city of Mandawi, Philippines. Signed, Edwin Salomon Tan, the complainant. Mone unod sa affidavit of desistance coming from the complainant, Madam Chair. With that, Madam Chair, I move that the verified complaint from Edwin Easton, the complainant versus Vladimir T. Gamutin of Barangay Sibak, the Barangay Chairman, I move that it will be discharged from the calendar of business, Madam Chair.
Second.
Thank you, Honorable
Discharge and dismiss.
Melvin Lagi.
Discharge and dismiss.
This item,
Discharge and dismiss, Madam Chair.
this item, verified complaint from Edwin Easton versus Barangay Captain Vladimir Gamutin of Sibak, Tudela. Since Mr. Tan submitted the affidavit of desistance, meaning his complaint is now on discharge. Dismiss. So, duly seconded by Honorable Tampo, Honorable Parolino, and Honorable Felix Balaes.
Honorable Chair,
Yes.
before we will also recognize, Honorable Chair, the effort of the Honorable Marites Mixdon.
Yes, the effort
Usa sa nag-facilitate aning problema nga nasulbad tungod kay balota nga the Honorable Mixdon na agini siya mga kuan po ni siya na po ni siya
Talent.
talent anang mga negotiation Honorable Chair. Oo. Okay, thank you Honorable Chair.
Thank you very much, Honorable Marites Mixdon, for your effort to talk with Edwin Tan. Kay kita dyan mo
Yes, Madam Chair.
kumingi ani. Thank you very much, Honorable
Yes,
Marites Mixdon. So, is there any comments, remarks? Hearing none, motion is approved. Number 2.
Next, item 2, letter from Enjoy Butungan, requesting for
Pinirepirma, no?
accreditation. It was deferred.
It's deferred. Okay, so this item is deferred already. So next item, Madam Secretary.
Committee report Honorable Chair. Committee on Hold, katong gipahigayon nga Committee on Hold ato naging adlaw Honorable Chair.
Yes, where is the committee report?
Okay, Honorable Chair, nani na lang. Di man nato mabasa ang ato ang Committee on Hold nga minutes karon. Tomorrow is the schedule para sa joint inspection sa DPWH district sa Tanggob and with engineering department sa LGU. Mag-conduct sila og site inspection tomorrow with Honorable Balais morning from the residence of Mr. Engineerial going to Gonzales nga residence dito sa along the National Bridge with the Honorable Chair.
Sige, okay. So, dili pa ito i-appeal kay wala man po siya dili. Wala man dili ang item.
Ito na pag-inspection daw na close man. Ito man makita
So,
sa mga
Abrihan kita nila.
Madam Secretary, please proceed.
tigo na lantaw-lantaw.
The other item.
Item 8, calendar of business 1, first reading and referral of measures. A, Barangay Resolution number 4, series of 2026 of Tanggob proper. A resolution reprogramming the amount of 203,564 for reshaping of barangay roads and the amount of 120,000 and 83,564 for road completing from 20% balance.
Okay, dos na.
Yes, Honorable Felix Balais, recognize.
Gita kang mayroon.
Resolution number 4, series of 2026 of Barangay Kalingan Proper. I move from first to second, second to third, and final approval within our internal rules and procedures.
Second.
Okay, thank you. It has been moved by Honorable Felix Balais, duly seconded by Honorable Panuino and Honorable Tampoo, that this item, letter A, Barangay Resolution number 4, series of 2026 of Kalibungan proper, be approved from first reading to second reading and second reading to third reading and third reading to final approval, waiving to our internal rules of procedure. Is there any comments, remarks? Hearing none, motion is approved. Next item.
Letter B, Barangay Resolution number 3, series of 2026 of Duwanggikan, a resolution reprogramming the amount of 430,000 for purchase of lot of 943 square meters taken from PDF 2023, purchase of lot 150,000, 2024 purchase of lot 130,000, and 2025 purchase of lot 150,000 for the site of Barangay Hall, Solar Dryer, Barangay Health Center, and Child Development Center.
Honorable Chair.
Yes, Honorable Tampoo, your
Barangay Resolution number 003, series of 2026, Barangay Duwanggikan, Honorable Chair. I move from first to second, second to third, third to final approval, waiving our internal rules, Honorable Chair. In addition with my motion, Honorable Chair, usa ni sa priority nga project sa Barangay Duwanggikan tungod kay the existing land area nga gitukuran sa Barangay Hall, covered court and daycare center, and then karon ongoing ang the commitment of the barangay officials dito sa DPWH nga matagaan sila og barangay health center provided nga i-acquired ang maong land area. So tuwa na ko dito ang kontraktor sa ilaang barangay health station gisugod na mo nga gipaspasanto nila kay usa man ni sa requirements god nga dapat ang land area acquired digid sa barangay. Thank you, Honorable Chair.
Thank you very much, Honorable Tampoo. It has been moved by Honorable Rosito Tampoo, duly seconded by the august body present. This item, number 2, Barangay Resolution number 003, series of 2026 of Barangay Duwanggikan, be approved from first to second reading and second to third reading and third reading to final approval, waiving to our internal rules of procedure. So is there any comments, Remarks? Hearing none, motion is approved. Next item.
Item C is resolution number 2, series of 2026 of Nailon, a resolution reprogramming funds from the Sangguniang Kabataan Trust Fund for calendar year 2025 in the amount of 10,000 pesos to provide additional travel expenses of the Sangguniang Kabataan.
Madam Chair.
Yes, Honorable Melvin Lagi, you recognize.
Thank you, Madam Chair. I ask resolution number 002, series of 2026 of Barangay Nailon. I move from first to second, second to third, and final approval, waiving our internal rules.
Second.
Okay, thank you. It has been moved by Honorable Melvin Lagi, duly seconded by Honorable Tani Lumbay, that this item, letter C, is Scheme Resolution number 002, series of 2026 of Barangay Nailon, be approved from first to second reading, second to third, and third to final approval. Is there any comments? Remarks? Hearing none, motion is approved. Next item.
Item D, update 2026 for review and approval for Barangay Luksoon.
Honorable Chair,
Yes, Honorable Rosito
thank you.
Recognize.
ABIP 2026 Barangay Luksoon, I move from first first reading refer to the Committee on Finance for further study, Honorable Chair.
Second
It has been moved by Honorable Rosito Tampuog, duly seconded by Honorable Budjuned and Honorable Lagi, that this item, letter D, yet 2026 for of Barangay Luksoon, be approved from first reading and be referred to the Committee on Finance. So is there any comments? Hearing none, motion is approved. Next item.
Item E, Barangay Annual Budget CY 2026 for review and approval for Barangay Kanibungan Proper, Mitugas, Tagima, and Buena Vista.
Madam Chair.
Yes, Honorable Melvin Lagi, you recognize.
Barangay Annual Budget, calendar year 2026. Madam Chair, o Barangay Kalibungan Proper, Mitugas, Tagima, and Buena Vista, I move to first reading and refer to the Committee on Finance.
Thank you, Honorable. Second.
It has been moved by Honorable Melvin Lagi, duly seconded by Honorable Budjungan, Honorable Tampuog, Honorable Felix Balae, that this item, letter E, Barangay Annual Budget Calendar Year 2026 of Barangay Kalibungan Proper, Mitugas, Tagima, and Buena Vista be referred to the Committee on Finance. So is there any comments, remarks? Hearing none, motion is approved. Next item, Madam Secretary.
Number 2, business for the day second reading. Item A, B, and C will be for public hearing on March 10 at 1 p.m.
Okay, thank you.
Then
Next
third and
item.
final reading, none.
None.
ABC matters.
ABC matters. Is there any matters from the ABC? Is there any matters?
Thank you, Madam Chair. Kuan, naami travel sa convention sa Manila.
Approve na?
Then,
ABC, mga ABC?
extends, nanangit minigo, approve na. Then,
Okay.
kanana ang gi-extend man siguro. Dili pa may pagpa-update ni mo kay i-extend of April. And instead of March 23, 2014, 5. I-extend ni go of April.
April.
22, diba? Then, ipapasa mi o better request nga nangangay yung project niya sa presidente according to book. 100,000 sa 5 opo kanang then 100,000 sa project.
Ito sa mga effect.
Ha?
Tapos ano mo effect?
Ipapasa namin ito para mga upuan sa presidente. Bali 200,000.
Ang ito din sa presidente. Sa liga.
All liga.
Basta simple, matagaan mo ni PBBM.
Thank you, Madam Chair.
Okay, thank you, Honorable EDC President Centillas. SK Matters, IT Matters. Yes, Honorable Tani Tumbay.
Madam Chair, good morning.
Good morning.
Dunay ibali gi-propose na Madam Chair, gi-propose na bindig pero himuan pa og resolusyon na
Sa imo ka?
katong sa boarding house sa mga estudyante sa Dala. Gitabangan ko.
Boarding house, may pa. Asa mo dapat magtukod po din ha? Ay, makakuha po din ha sa Uzami, ay sa Orsita?
Hindi, Madam Chair, mga high school, sa ganda
Oh,
ng
sa high
eskwela.
school.
Ayun din sa namot kay eskwela mo din. Ayun, ang uban, abang balay.
Ayun sa college.
Dili, high school. Madam Chair. Pero i-propose pa yun si Secretary Belche, watan na sa resolution gikan sa IP para ipatod sa parang.
Yes. So, is there any matters? Hearing none? So, we will
Honorable Chair,
now-
I move to adjourn the session.
Yes, thank you. It has been moved by Honorable Rosito Tampoo, duly seconded by Honorable Marquis Mixdon, Honorable Samuel Paruhinog III, for the adjournment of our 31st regular session, dated March 2, 2026, at 11:26 in the morning.